So I have just completed my twin stitch knit, and now I'm going to show you how to do a twin stitch purl. So here's my twin stitch knit. So I'm going to turn my work, and you see that I have that twin stitch knit on my right hand needle, and I would go ahead and purl until there are 2 stitches left on my left hand needle. So I'm going to go ahead and purl, and these stitch markers are identifying the center 1/3 of my work, and I find that they're very useful when I'm doing the fish lips kiss heel or any short row heel. I like to use stitch markers. So I have 2 stitches left on my left hand needle. Put the working yarn in front, slip that stitch needle tip to needle tip over to my right hand needle. Drop your working yarn so it's not getting in your way. Take the left tip and lift that bar that's underneath that stitch, and then I want you to purl it. So I'm going to purl it. Okay? Now I've purled it. Now take it off the needle. There's my twin stitch purl. You move it back over to the left hand needle, and then you turn your work. And that's how you do a twin stitch purl.